What's up guys, my name's Nathan and this is Full Throttle Cars. In today's video we are going to be replacing the air filter on my 2008 Honda Civic. This is a very simple repair guys, so if you are just getting into replacing parts on your car, don't really know much about it, but you want to start doing things, this is a great beginner piece just to get the feel for what it's going to be like whenever you're replacing parts on your car. So really, without even changing scenes, we can pop right into the hood here and I can show you guys how to get started. Alright guys, so obviously the first thing that you want to do whenever replacing your air filter is you got to get into the engine here. So you want to lift your hood and then look for some kind of a large plastic box. For mine, it is right here, and oftentimes it is right here beside the main part of the engine. And there's going to be maybe some screws, maybe some clips on the specifically for the specific Honda Civic. There are just some clips right there. I hope you guys saw that. I can do another one. You just push down and then it pops backward. Again, push, pop, push, pop. Another good sign to look for whenever you're trying to find your air filter is a big plastic tube coming out of the back. But anyway, once you have your clips, screws, whatever it is for your car out, you can just lift this up a little bit and you can pull it out of the way and you can see inside and look at your air filter. Alright guys, so now that we have the air filter cover off, we can now look into this air filter. So as you can see, this is the clean side of the air filter, and you'll know it's the clean side of the air filter because one side is always going to be apparently dirty. Now, it won't always be apparently this dirty. Your air filter should not look like this. If your air filter looks like this, you need to get it replaced as soon as possible because your car is just completely breathing gas. I should not have let my car get into this bad of shape, but now that I have this old air filter out, we can take a look at what the new one looks like. So here is the clean air side of your air filter, and here is the dirty air side, and this is what's going to catch all your dirt and dust particles and maybe some hair particles before it goes into your motor and gets to messing up the internal parts of your motor, and that's just not good if you get anything bad in there. Alright guys, got my new air filter. Pretty simple exchange. Just setting that right down in there. And now that we have the new air filter in, we can set everything back in exactly the way that we pulled it out. So if you're just getting into repairing your car, take a mental note whenever you're pulling off your air filter cover, exactly how it was sitting in there, and it should fit right in fairly snugly whenever you put it in. But then all these clips that I have for my Honda Civic just push back into place. Sometimes you have to pinch and push with a little bit of force. That's something that you guys need to know if you're just getting into repairing your car. There are a lot of things that require force. There are also some things that don't require force, but this is one of them that does. If I can get this final clip in, I have just completed an air filter replacement. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for today's video. I know it was a short little video, but that's because this is a short little repair doing an air filter replacement. Now, if you are going to attempt this on your own and you have any questions, please just drop some comments down below, and Nick and I might be able to help you out a little bit. But really, with that said, that's going to end this video today. Bye guys.